Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto scroll in Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is updated. Now, once you play any reel and when it reaches the end, if you enable that option, it will auto scroll to the next reel. So how are you going to do it? It's pretty easy and simple. All you need to do is to tap on these three dots and this menu will pop up. Here you will find the option auto scroll. All you need to do is to enable it. If you don't see this option right here, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram. So go to the Play Store or App Store, update your application first, and then you're going to get this. So once you enable the auto scroll, now once this reel is fully watched till the last seconds, it will auto scroll by itself. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.